Okay, something for the techies out there. Here's a script for shutting down a computer. This is especially for those beginners who want to do something cool with Python. I'm going to be using Python. So this script enables us to shut down the computer. So I'm just going to go through the code. And so for those purely vibe coders, I would advise you to skip because you might get a migraine trying to read this code. But yeah, let's go through the code. So we're just doing some imports, and then we are defining the shutdown function, which is going to take, of course, some arguments through the terminal. We're going to run the function through the terminal, and yeah, it's going to take a delay argument, which is going to determine how much time after how much time is it going to do the shutdown. So we're checking for the delay, and then next we're checking for which platform you're on. So you might be on a Mac computer, or you might be on a Windows computer, you might be on a Linux computer. So we're checking for that in the three next functions. And then after which we are defining some functions for the sleep, cancel, restart functions. Okay, so we're going to use this because when you will be running the script on the terminal, we are going to give arguments or pass arguments, and those arguments we're going to check if is it the sleep, or is it the cancel, or is it the restart. So we're going to check all those and call the appropriate function for each argument. Then we're going to pass the arguments and choose appropriate functions to call based on the argument passed. Okay, so here's an example of what you're going to write on the terminal, and based on the argument you pass, a certain action is going to be performed. So try it out and see if it works.